In red zone, movement of individual vehicles for permitted activities. Special economic zones, export-oriented units, industrial estates have been permitted to resume operations. Manufacturing of IT hardware and the jute industry, along with the manufacturers of packaging material, have been given the go-ahead to operate. Construction activities in rural areas that fall in red zones has been permitted only to inside construction. All stand-alone shops and shops in residential complexes have been allowed to reopen for business. E-commerce activities are allowed to limited essential goods. Private offices in red zones will be allowed to operate with 33% of their strength. Government offices in red zones will be allowed to function with senior officers at full strength, with remaining staff attending up to 33% as per requirement. All industrial and construction activities in rural areas that fall in red zones have been allowed. These include Manrega works, food processing units and brick kilns. All agricultural and animal husbandry will be able to function. Banks, insurance and capital market activities along with cooperative societies will function in red zone. IT and IT-enabled services, data and call centers, cold storage and warehousing services, private security and services self-employed persons except for barbers are permitted in red zones. In orange zone, OPDs, medical clinics can operate in orange zones. Besides this, they can operate in all zones with social distancing norms and other safety precautions. Taxis and cab aggregators with a driver and 2 passengers only. Inter-district movement of individuals and vehicles only for permitted activities. In green zone, buses can operate with up to 50% of seating capacity. All goods traffic is permitted. Air, rail, sea and metro train services are not allowed. These services are not allowed in any of the zones. E-commerce is allowed in non-essential items in green zone and also in orange zones. Sale of liquor has been allowed in all zones. However, if the shops are located in malls, marketing complexes and in containment areas, they cannot open. Shops selling tobacco products in public places will ensure minimum 6 feet distance. School, college institutions, hospitality services including hotels and restaurants, cinema halls, malls, gym, sports complex, all kind of gatherings, religious place for worship for public remain closed.